Next, we have conjugate. Yan, this just gives you the conjugate ng inyong complex number. So, conjugate ng 1 plus 2i would be, yan, 1 minus 2i. Next would be yung real at imaginary part. Now, again, self-explanatory. This gives you the real. So, this is 1. At para naman sa imaginary, 1 plus 2i. Ayan. So, hindi pala kasama yung i. Just the coefficient ng i yung binibigay. So, yun na lahat na kailangan nyo malaman for complex mode. Ano ang gamit ng complex mode? So, main use niya is to perform operations on complex numbers. Pero, meron tayong calculator technique dito if you want to add vectors fast. So, let's say sa isang equilibrium problem, binigyan kayo ng vectors na 6 kilonewtons at an angle of 30 degrees. Tapos, kailangan nyong hanapin yung resultant niya kapag i-add natin siya sa 5 kilonewtons at an angle of 150 degrees. So, again, all the degrees here are with respect to the x-axis rotating counterclockwise. So, yung 150 degrees ay nasa quadrant 2 na. So, we would have that. Pero, kapag gusto nyong polar form na agad yung ibigay ng calculator nyo palagi, again, just press shift, set up, down arrow, complex mode, and then polar. Now, every equation na gagamitin nyo sa complex mode would return sa kanyang polar form. So, again, kapag gusto nyong i-dissect yung square root of 31 na ito, just press fraction to decimal. Ang resultant ng dalawang forces natin ay 5.56 at an angle of 81 degrees with respect to the x-axis, counterclockwise. Okay, so yun na lahat ng kailangan nyong malaman for complex mode. So, sana natulungan kayo ng video na ito. If you want more tips like this, subscribe kayo sa aming channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching.